The friend zone. 2 words that make most men cringe. You like her, you want her, but she just sees you as a friend. The worst part? She knows you want more, yet she keeps you around, soaking up your attention while chasing after guys who don't treat her half as well as you do. Most men, when they get friend-zoned, do one of 2 things. Either they stick around, hoping she'll eventually see them differently, or they walk away bitter and rejected. Both are mistakes. The truth is, the friend zone isn't a life sentence, it's a test. And if you know how to play it right, you can flip the entire dynamic, making her see you in a way she never has before. So if you've been friend-zoned, don't beg, don't chase, and definitely don't sit around waiting for her to wake up and choose you. Instead, do this, because once you do, she won't just see you as a friend. She'll crave you. 1. Stop being her emotional support system. The friend zone is built on one simple truth. She doesn't feel the right kind of attraction toward you. Not because you're not good enough, not because you're lacking something fundamental, but because you've positioned yourself as something safe, predictable, and easy. One of the biggest reasons for this? You've become her emotional support system. Think about it. When she's upset, when she's stressed, when she just needs someone to vent to, who does she turn to? And the moment you pick up that phone, the moment you sit there listening to her complain about another guy, giving her endless reassurance, you reinforce one dangerous idea in her mind. He's always here for me, no matter what. On the surface, that might seem like a good thing. Isn't that what a woman wants? A man who listens, who cares, who is there for her. Yes, but not like this. Because the truth is, attraction isn't built on comfort alone. Attraction is built on excitement, uncertainty, and desire. And right now, there's no uncertainty with you. She knows you'll be there, whether she gives you what you want or not. That's not attraction, that's dependency. And dependency makes her turn to you when she's sad but chase the guy who excites her when she's happy. So what's the fix? Step back. Stop picking up her emotional baggage. Stop being the guy she calls to cry about another man. Stop letting her drain you emotionally while giving nothing back. The next time she comes to you looking for support, keep the conversation short. Shift the focus. Say something like, "Man, you've really got to stop letting guys treat you like this. Anyway, I can't talk long, I'm heading out." No more therapy sessions. No more deep hour-long talks where she feels understood but not attracted. At first, she might not even notice. But over time, she will, because suddenly, you're no longer that safe, predictable guy. You're no longer the shoulder to cry on. You're something else, something she now has to work for. And when a woman feels like she has to work for your attention, that's when she starts wanting it more than ever. 2. Create emotional distance and trigger jealousy. If there's one thing that will make a woman reconsider everything she thought about you, it's jealousy. Not in a manipulative, toxic way, but in a way that makes her realize, wait, why am I not the center of his attention anymore? Most guys in the friend zone give all their emotional energy to one woman. They're too available, too eager, too invested. And because of that, she never has to wonder, never has to question, never has to feel any sense of loss. And without that, there's no urgency, no desire. But the moment she starts feeling your absence, the moment she sees you shifting your energy elsewhere, that's when things change. So how do you do it? First, stop being so accessible. If she texts you, don't respond immediately. If she asks to hang out, don't always be available. If she's used to you always saying yes, start saying no. You're showing her without words that you have a life outside of her. But here's the real game changer. Let her see you giving your attention to other women. Nothing makes a woman reassess her feelings faster than seeing another woman enjoying your company. This doesn't mean you have to fake it. You don't have to make her jealous in some high school drama kind of way. But start expanding your social circle. Start talking to other women, and make sure she sees it. Post a picture of you out with friends where there just happens to be an attractive woman next to you. Mention in passing that you had a great conversation with someone new. Let her feel the shift. Because here's what happens when you do this. Her brain, whether she likes it or not, starts reacting. Wait, is he into someone else? Why doesn't he text me back like he used to? Did I miss something here? At first, she might act indifferent. She might pretend she doesn't care. But inside, she'll be thinking about you more than ever. And that is the beginning of attraction. 3. Shift the power dynamic. Stop seeking her validation. Most men who get friendzoned fall into the same invisible trap. They constantly seek the woman's validation. They might not say it outright, but everything they do, the way they agree with everything she says, the way they laugh a little too hard at her jokes, the way they're always trying to prove their worth, screams one thing: I hope you like me. And that kills attraction instantly. Because attraction isn't built on proving your worth. It's built on a dynamic where a woman feels like she has to earn you, not the other way around. Think about the men women actually chase. Do those guys try to win her over? Do they wait around for her approval? Do they act like they're walking on eggshells, afraid to say the wrong thing? They own the room. They don't chase. They make women step up to meet them. And that's exactly what you need to start doing. Stop over-complimenting and over-agreeing. Instead of saying, "You're so amazing, I can't believe no guy has scooped you up yet," flip the script. Say something playful like, "That's a cute dress. Reminds me of something my little sister would wear." Challenge her, don't worship her. If she says she hates pineapple on pizza, don't just nod and agree. Say, "Wow, that's tragic. I thought you had good taste." Suddenly, instead of being the predictable guy who feeds her validation, you're someone who makes her think, someone she has to work for. And that is what makes her chase. This is just the beginning. The key to flipping the friend zone isn't manipulation, it's becoming a man of value. When you stop being her emotional crutch, create space, shift the power dynamic, and ultimately show that you have options, she will start seeing you differently. And when that happens, she won't just want to be your friend anymore, she'll want something a whole lot more. This is Stoic Guide. Until next time, stay sharp, stay aware, and never let yourself be anyone's second choice.